Sometimes it Chiefs, I believe it is not a matter of quality, but mentality. These Kaizer Chiefs players, they choose games whereby they would want to play and leave everything on the field of play. The final against Orlando Pirates in the Nedbank Cup final, the semi-final against Mamelodi Sundowns, even the game versus Orlando Pirates, you could tell they had one thing in mind. As long as we don't lose this game, any result will be accepted. Because you saw by the starting 11 that the coaches made, and you could easily tell Kaizer Chiefs were not here to play, but they were here to try by all means not to allow Orlando Pirates to play their usual game, of which I won't say they didn't allow them, but Orlando Pirates was playing against a good goalkeeper on the day, Brendan Peterson. But they were individuals that say the way they played, it's like for them it meant something more than just a game. I'm talking about players like Kevin Msimang, General Tetazengo, players like Uspesihle Ndlovu. Yes, he wasn't good on the day, but he knew he was tasked to keep tabs on Relebohile Mofokeng, and it worked out because he didn't have a good game on Mofokeng, because Ndlovu made sure he makes him uncomfortable. You saw by the challenges that he was making on Mofokeng. He was hard tackling him, making him a good arm sub. So I believe that was the tactic from the coaches. Brendan Peterson was good. Pulemode, I'd say he was decent because he scored, and at some moment he was there for the team defensively. Wandile Duba, I think he's picking up form ngesikhathi whereby you couldn't expect he would, because we are nearing the end of the season. But the way he's playing, he's showing give me regular game time, I can give you a lot. It's either assists or goals. My boy, as a number 10, he didn't do much because obvious the game plan was simple. Don't allow Orlando Pirates to have spaces whereby they could be deadly. That's why you could say most of the time Kaizer Chiefs will play from their own half, whereby they are trying to be cautious. And at some point I'd say they were not doing it that well, because Orlando Pirates had ways to penetrate them, even though they thought they were defensively solid. They were not that sharp at the middle of the park, but they did enough not to make Orlando Pirates have a good game in that middle of the park. Because Makahleni Makaula ended up being subbed off because babona ukuthi isidingo sakhe asikho laphana, because Kaizer Chiefs wasn't a threat trying to attack them. So obviously it meant they needed a player that could help them to go and attack Kaizer Chiefs, while the Zumba there, the Mofokeng, but they were not on top of their game because of that plan that Kaizer Chiefs had. We apply a mid block and a low block. So it simply means what I've said on the previous video, don't give Orlando Pirates freedom in the middle of the park, and make sure you neutralize Mofokeng and Apolis by not giving them that width that they want, by not giving them time and space on the ball. That's what they've done to make sure the Orlando Pirates doesn't get away with 3 points. And I'd say Orlando Pirates, it is a trend how they play. Once you score them first, it's unlikely for them to win a game. And that's what happened today. And the Kaizer Chiefs, I was glad they didn't go there with the mentality of wanting revenge, but they went there with the mentality we don't want to lose. And it helped them with the embarrassed, because even Brendan Peterson was on top of his game. So I'd say Kaizer Chiefs players, at some point, I believe if they could have this mentality, each and every game that you approach, or each and every game that you're gonna play, we must make sure we avoid defeat, but we must make sure we also want to win. Because if they knew the result ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns will draw also. If they've defeated Orlando Pirates, they could have been in a better position. Because when I believe it was the matter ukuthi we were gonna disrupt Orlando Pirates, and they didn't know ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns will also draw their game, because vele kuyaziwa emhlathuze abuyi na full 3 points lapha. Chiefs ihlayiwe idliwe, Mamelodi Sundowns ya draw and Orlando Pirates ya draw. But I want us to dissect the game ukuthi kahle what did Kaizer Chiefs do right? Kaizer Chiefs made sure that they win their individual duels, especially aerially and in the crowd. That's why whenever Kaizer Chiefs wanted to play, they wanted to play long balls, because they knew there's Ulilepo that is going to flick the balls. There's Utuba. There's Umori that will be willing to fight for those balls. So that's where I believe they've managed, because even when it was a corner for Orlando Pirates, you couldn't stress, because you knew they will deal with it. Msimango, his height proved it was helpful. It is what it is needed from him. He had a good game on top of his game. After Brendan Peterson as a top performer, Nyamnegu number 2 was excellent. But there's one thing I've managed to pick up about Kaizer Chiefs players, as I was talking about the mentality. Kaizer Chiefs players, when they score, they tend to relax and they become too excited, and then they think the team that they are playing against bona angeke babuye game. And the Orlando Pirates is one team that is tenacious. They don't want to lose. They rather play and get a draw, because they know they are in a title contention with the Mamelodi Sundowns. So they will try by all means to win my games. But one thing that I'd say Meli Shinjo is the mentality. Bradley Cross, there was no need for him to make that run with the ball, drive with it up until he lost it. And with the smartness of Orlando Pirates, I'd say their approach, it was different from how we are used to their attack, because they know very well okay, if we fail wide, let's go narrow. If we fail narrow, let's go wide again. And Orlando Pirates was clever enough to understand okay, Kaizer Chiefs, whenever we're attacking the left flank, they shift to that left flank. They leave room there on the right flank. But ball switch, and the thing is, Bradley Cross, obviously, in terms of Iran, they will outrun him. But like his side, it was better, because the only thing that Orlando Pirates had to resort to was to cross the balls, and Kaizer Chiefs will deal with them. But if flank egamonyane bebadubula nokudubula to cause that problem, because that's how they got that goal. Oho to tola that ball ball switchile what driver nalo washay, and Brendan Peterson, unfortunately Utuyal Pierre, he piered it back to the field of play. But I blame the recovery of the defenders including Ukross, because Ukross will lose the ball, but whenever there were players inside the box with Kaizer Chiefs, he was not dead. And obviously Kaizer Chiefs were defending facing their own goal. Bagwas will clear the ball. But to Brendan Peterson, where it mattered the most, he was there for Kaizer Chiefs. Attacking wise, I'd say we didn't show up. It was only that one chance that we got. One shot on target, it was a goal. That's one thing about Usipho Chain. Good umshayile or when they are good to apigana Nepal, it's a goal. Because ama status of the Orlando Pirates had 7, if not 87 shots on target, they scored only 1. Kaizer Chiefs had 1 shot on target, they scored only 1 goal. And it took a moment of individual brilliance from Wandile Tuba to make that run, to not give up and make sure that he continues up until he saw himself inside the box. But I liked the composure, the coolness, because if it was another player, he would have opted to score, go for glory, and then bambambe, because you could see Usipho Chain was already making himself big in that near post. But he was smart enough to see upule mode laphan ukuthi akusha igoli lakho lokuqala nawe ku league sibone ukuthi kanjani since uma wakhipha uShukeleti yena. And Kaizer Chiefs got that goal. But one thing about the Chiefs is that they lack game management. In that game, after scoring, they should have made sure we are no longer making unnecessary mistakes, and we must make sure we control the tempo of the game. And another thing about the tempo of the game, this game was fast. It needed someone with a cool and a calm head. a player like Ucele, but he was introduced late because everything that was being done, the Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, his putu, quick football, and that's where I'd say most of my chances of Orlando Pirates were not precisely executed, because if they were, ngabe sikhali kanzima. But no Brendan Peterson, melumniki ama-flowers wakhe, he was good on the day. It showed in the first leg he was not there. So the question is what lacked in the first round is this great that they had. Bebajabuliswe nje ukuthi it's a derby, amanye ama-players it was their first time, but in this one baye ngesifungo ukuthi angeke siliwe Orlando Pirates. And would say within that middle of the park, as I've mentioned, Ox was there just to stabilize the midfield. That's why bathi mabamsapa they saw no aksekho lula ke manje, because he was losing balls cheaply and we could have been punished, but we didn't, luckily to given him Sima. And the problem Kaizer Chiefs, the side that I'd say during the first half, it was the one that was making Kaizer Chiefs to be exposed, is that left hand side, the right hand of Orlando Pirates. That half space between Umakati and Cross, we could have been punished there. Even that goal El Koroe or police, I believe that was not an offside. But I'd say a draw is a draw. And the coaches now, they will be excited at least we didn't lose 2 out of 2. We came away with a draw when you came. But mentality needs to change. In the next game, I believe that's where Kaizer Chiefs have to win, because Nabo, number 3 is not like they've cemented it. They still have to do umsebenzi omningabo ukuthi bamretain lo number 3, because namazulu nawo lokho yakogoda. But na Kaizer Chiefs melizenze sure ukuthi iyawawina lama games. Ama subs I'd say umduduzi Shabalala uthe mangena kwabonakala no man kahle kahle konto bengekho lapha ya first half, because there were no runs and there was no player that was imposing himself in the defense of Orlando Pirates. That's why besikwazi ukuwina ama free kicks, sikwazi ukuthi sithola ama fouls, and besikwazi ukuthi sikwazi uku-attack siphambili. But even though we are not that intentional with our attacks, but we are trying by all means let's be far away from our own goalpost, because we know danger is not there. Masihlalele ekuteni kanje. Flavio Silva ungenile, but I won't say he was inspirational as a sub in this game. Ungene late, but naye ama-touches lada abenawo beka-lose amabhola cheaply, which I think it is something they will work towards on, because not every time you will be at your best, including every Kaizer Chiefs player. Singabi singama favorite. Hi, danko.